Hey guys! So this week we're working on place value and we have learned that there are different ways to represent the same number. We've talked about standard form and how that's just the usual way that you would see the number most of the time. We've talked about model or picture, how you can use your base 10 blocks or draw out the picture to show a number. We've talked about expanded form, where you can stretch the number out into a number sentence, and also word form, where you can spell out the word. So we're just going to keep practicing building those things today. So you may want your 10s and 1s mat, but you also probably are going to want to make a new mat. I just had a marker. Oh my goodness, guys. Where did I put my marker? Oh, there it is. Okay. Sorry about that. I knew I just had it. Okay. You may want to actually make another mat today that has 4 squares, because it's going to be 4 ways to show a number. And actually your assignment today is going to be to represent a number in 4 ways using this 4 square model. So you may want to go ahead and make a mat like this so you can practice. And at the top, it'll just be like Perry. We have the standard form. We have the model, or it can be called the picture. We have the expanded form. This marker's kind of hard to write my letters very good. And we have word form. So you may want to pause right here so that you can fill out your 4 square mat to look kind of like this. Or if you have a whiteboard, that may be helpful too. Okay, so let's start by modeling the number. Let's do 17 today. 17. So why don't you go ahead and build 17 first? So to build 17, I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. All right, the standard form of 17. How many 10s did I use in 17? I just used 1. So I have 1 10, and how many 1s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So to write 17 in standard form, it just looks like that. For expanded form, I have 10 plus how many 1s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 plus 7 equals 17. And for my word form, I just write in words 17. Okay, so this is 4 ways to show this number. Another way that I've seen this number written before, not just 17, but other ways to write it, you could also say, I guess this could be in word form, that this is 1 10 and 7 1s. I've seen it written out like that before too. That's really not word form though, that's probably more like expanded form. So just know that it can be written this way too. We don't normally do this way a ton in first grade, but you could be asked this at some point if this is a way to write it. And it still is, because this is 1 10 and 7 1s. So this does still represent 17. Okay, let's clear our mat. All right. Let's do 11. 11. Okay, so for 11, I want to show you, because I'm sure some people are probably trying to build these numbers with all 1s. I always have first graders that do. Let me show you why we use 10s. So if I build 11 with 11 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, I have 11 ones. This is 11. This is a way to show 11. But when we're working with tens and ones, you can exchange some of these ones to make a 10. So how many ones do I need in order to use one of these? I need 10 ones to trade out for this 110. So if I have 10 ones, I can make a trade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so these 10 ones can be traded out for 110, and it makes it much quicker to build. So 11 is 110 and 1 1. To write that number in standard form, in the tens place and in the ones place, I've got 110 and I have 1 1. So 11 is just written as a 1 and a 1. Okay, now for word form, to write 11, I just spell it out. For expanded form, I stretch out my model. So remember, this is not just 1, this represents 10. Okay? Remember, we traded out 10 ones for this 110. So this is 10 plus 1 equals 11. This is the expanded form. Okay, let's clear our maths and do another problem. All right, can you show 8? Let's do 8. Okay, for 8, you should have modeled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You should just have 8 ones. Since the number 8 is less than 10, you automatically know you're not going to need any of these because it's a number that's less than what this equals. So since it's less, you're just going to need ones. We have 8 ones. To write the standard form of 8, you just write it like this. 8. It's a 1-digit number. It does not have a tens place, just a ones place. For expanded form of 8, you can just write 0 because there's 0 tens places or 0 tens plus 8 ones equals 8. And then the word form of 8 is 8. It could also be said that 8 ones is also 8. All right? So today, you, for your assignment, are going to be actually making a mat like this, and on your mat, I want you to model 12. So let's see how you do. See if you can show me the model of 12, the standard form, the expanded form, and the word form. And then take a picture and show me how you did.